What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at another pair of true wireless earbuds. These ones come from a company called APEKX. These are the mini true wireless earbuds. HD voice ready built-in microphone. Bluetooth version 4.2, which is good because that's going to give us a better stable connection at a longer distance. Operation distance up to 20 meters? Isn't 10 meters like 30 feet? That's good. Now, it actually comes with a charging case, and the charge case itself is a 650 milliamp hour battery, so you should be able to charge the headphones up 5 full times. Each earbud is 45 milliamps. Now, charging the actual case itself will take about 5 hours to get a full charge. I'm not sure why it would take so long, but it takes a while. And on the earbud, you're gonna get about 3 hours of playtime. I'm quoting their marketing department. They said that they have best stereo sound with powerful bass. Bass in all caps. Lots of bass. We can't get enough bass. Plus, these have noise reduction and echo cancellation, so I don't know. Let's find out. We got cables, extra ear cups or low blogs. We got an instruction manual. This is way smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Look at that. Look how tiny this is. Oh, I'm liking that. All right, so the USB to micro USB cable is like 6 inches, real short. You don't need much. And then you get 2, 4, 6, you get 3 sets of extra ear cups. The actual case itself is very slick. It looks very simplistic. Nothing special about it. You pop it open. There's the earbuds. Man, those look nice. Those are some good looking little earbuds. You got your power button here. Indicator light is right there. Once you plug them back in, oh, they do light up. So there you go. You get a little charge light. They got a nice triangular button design on each one. I'm guessing that's gonna be the microphone. So they have the nice ear hook and the ear cup all in one design, but you can take those off and slap on some regular ear cups. They're pretty nice. They're not bad looking. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. They both fell out. I'm gonna switch them out for some regular ones. There we go. That looks a little better. Oh yeah, oh that's so much better. Okay, cool. Yes, that's good. All right, let's power them on. Okay, cool. Well, I've got them on backwards because this one said right channel. There we go. The left one is the main unit. Cranking it up. I think these have some volume to them. Uh-oh. This one just went out. This one just keeps going out. Let's see what it's like in my back pocket. No, it's not disconnecting. Okay, so the right one, which, okay, keep in mind the left one is the main unit. The right one keeps kind of going in and out. That's not good. True wireless earbuds should never do that. You know, having a connection issue or a lack of to the phone is one thing, but if they're not pairing up to each other, I don't know. Let's hear what this bass is all about. It says it is supposed to have powerful bass. This one's cutting out. No. 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 The bass is not powerful and it's still disconnecting. We're not done. We're not done. This one's still cutting in and out. Let me do a distance check real quick. This is not looking very good, guys. I got about 8 feet and it started dropping on both, not just the one. Okay, it only rings in the left ear, so you can use that by itself, but that's the ear it's gonna be ringing in. Hello? Hey. Oh my God, girl, what is up? Hey, how do I sound? I don't sound crystal clear, but clear enough. So you can tell I'm on something. Okay, but there's not like an immense amount of muffle where it sounds like I'm talking like this. Okay, so there's a little baby muffle, but it's still clear. Okay. Okay, where do I begin? You know, we don't get too many of these around here. You know, I had some pretty high hopes for these ones because they look pretty good. So they retail for about 37 bucks. Right now, there's a special coupon, and I'll put that down below. It's 27% off, which makes it about $25. I would honestly say these probably aren't even worth 25 bucks. Not to be too harsh, APEKX, I'm sorry guys, but I'm only giving my honest opinion here. One thing that I definitely noticed when I'm putting these on, that this thing is a very awkward shape. The little connections right here, the magnetic connection parts, they feel really sharp, like right here. Once they're in place and they stay there, then you know, you don't really notice it, but if you just move it a little bit, it feels like there's something sharp kind of scratching the ear. They don't stay connected to each other. Bluetooth 4.2, I seriously doubt it. From my experience, Bluetooth 4.2 should get me a lot further than about 8 feet away from the device that I'm playing from. Bluetooth 4.2 will get you at least 30 feet. At least, minimum. Highs and mids, they sound a little dry. They sound kind of hollow. There's not a lot of depth in it. They said that it has best stereo sound. That is not true. They are also saying that it's powerful bass. It is not powerful bass. That is not what powerful bass sounds like. It's not even close to powerful bass. It's very lacking of. Oh man, I wish I had something good to say about them. They look cool. They do look cool. The carrying case looks really cool. You know, we win some, we lose some. You know, it doesn't happen very often, but it does happen. I feel like I'm leaving something out. It does have a 1-year warranty. And all right guys, so that is it. You know, if you are interested, I'm leaving links down below with the coupon code. I'll leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. Okay, so as I was sitting here walking away, I'm just like, wait, I know what I forgot. I forgot to rate these. Highs and mids. If 5 is an average, they could sound worse, so I'm gonna give them a 3. Bass, they're saying powerful bass. Again, I'm gonna give them a 3. Okay, but that's it. That's all I got to say. Goodbye.